And this is the vent that you need, the B-Air VP-25 quarter horsepower with a 900 CFM. That stands for how much air is going to be blown out. Also comes with 2 ports right here for hooking up anything else that you want to plug in. You could plug in a bunch more of these fans as well. So let's test this out right here. Let's plug it in. And then let's flip it on. We've got off, 1 and 2 and 3. That's just level 1, 2 and 3. Tons of air coming out. Ergonomic feature with the grips on the handle. Here's your air intake. You can really hear how much it is blowing and sucking in. And if you couldn't hear me in the video, let me say that one more time. Tons of air coming out, 900 CFM. Here's the air intake for the motor. Very well built. There's the logo, B-Air. It's kind of like a polar bear. And I really like that this has the auxiliary outlets right here. Total output 12 amps with the unit off. Total output 9.5 amps with the unit on. So definitely can't plug in anything too big with it. But this is model VP-25 for B-Air.